Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I have a layout we're going to do with the new September scrapbook kit. And for this, I went ahead and chose a pattern paper and cut my mat down to 6¼ by 4¼ and here I'm just placing some glue on here, and I'm going to go ahead and lay this down. Now I chose a plain like cream colored for the background out of the paper, and just going to glue that down right in that corner there. Next, I went ahead and cut out a mat that is going to be adhered on top of that other mat, and that is going to be 4 by 6. Now this your photo might take up the whole 4 by 6 mat, or you can cut down a little bit on the sides if you choose to. I know some people do that, some people don't, and that's okay. It's your preference. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and cut 3 pieces of pattern paper that are 7½ by 3¾ and you're going to go ahead and score those in half at 3¾ and then you're going to go ahead and we're going to fold those in half. Next, I decided to go ahead and arrange them where the 2 side flaps open up on either side, and then the middle flap will open upward. So now we're going to go ahead and place some magnets down on here. And what I did is I put some magnet on the back. So you can put 1 magnet on the back. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and tape this down, and so I'm coming in with my tape. I'm just going to go ahead and tape that down, and then what you're going to do is you're going to flip that over, and on the inside you're going to place your other one. Okay, and here I'm just grabbing some tape. I'm putting it right side up so the sticky side is on the top, and then placing my magnet on top. I'm going to fold that flap over and then just burnish that down, and then your magnet is ready to go. So next you're just going to go ahead and you're going to do that for the other 2. So for the other 2 we're going to do the same thing. You're just going to go ahead and grab that magnet, put that on the back, and then you're going to go ahead and flip that over and place the other one on the inside, and then go ahead and close that flap and burnish down, and then go ahead and it's ready to go. So you're going to go ahead and do the same thing for the other one. So I hope that you're liking today's tutorial. I know this one is a super easy layout, y'all. So I really thought that this layout I just love this paper. It is so pretty, and it's got flowers in it, but it's so autumny, and I really like how this paper looks. So so now I'm just arranging my little flaps here, my little photo flaps, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put one down first, and then just making sure that everything's burnished in really good. And then once I have everything burnished in, I'm going to go ahead and place glue on the back of that, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab my ruler, so that way I can tell everything's pretty even when I place the other 2 down. And I am leaving about a 1/8 of an inch between each little flap or little mat here, little booklet. So here I decided to go ahead and I'm going to grab my ruler, and it's a good idea to have a ruler that's big. So if you need, especially if it's see-through, it's great. So you can see through everything, you know. For me, it's a preference, and I really like the large quilt. This is a large quilt ruler that is, you know, that you can pick up over at Walmart, and that's where I got mine. So if you want one of those, just head on over to Walmart and pick one up. um, so again, I'm just making sure that everything's even when I lay it out with my ruler, and then I'm just burnishing everything down, and we're pretty much done. We're almost done, y'all. So next we're going to go ahead, and I have these little tabs, and these tabs are in your paper collection, okay? And these are so cute. And I went ahead and just cut them out, and then I backed them up with some foil cardstock that I had in my stash. And so here, I just went ahead and placed glue on the back, and then went ahead and just placed them down on the little flap there. And I just love, they both say love life. And so I thought that was perfect. And, because when you're doing your layout, sometimes you want little sayings on something. And so I thought that was really cute. And you can definitely add some to the inside as well. So if you wanted to, you do get two little cut apart pages. So you can add the other one, cut out the other ones and add them to the inside of that tab as well. So now your flaps are done and everything is looking good. So yeah, you're going to go ahead and wipe off any excess glue that you have there, and just so that way you know it doesn't stick down. And then now you can go ahead and bring in your flowers and decorate, and that's what I'm doing here. I did fussy cut out that little piece that I'm gluing down, and I'm just kind of gluing a little bit of that down. I don't want a whole lot done, glued, because I'm going to stick my photo underneath that. So you want to make sure that if you are sticking something down, that you're not going to stick it down on top of the area where your picture is going to be laid down. So here I'm just laying that down next to that yellow flower. Now these flowers do come in the kit. They are absolutely gorgeous. So next we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue on this large flower. This has the roses on it. So pretty. And I just love it. It's one of my favorites. And I went ahead and cut off the end a little bit. And then I decided to go ahead and use that little circle there. And I'm just getting my circle punch. I'm punching that out. And that's one thing I love about the cut aparts in this collection, is that you can use your circle punches to cut out the circles, and they fit perfectly. So I really like that. And then here I decided to go ahead and I did fussy cut out some butterflies and stuff with this collection. So pretty. Absolutely love the butterflies in here, and those little fairies are so cute. So I did go ahead and cut out this butterfly here. Next, I came in and I decided to go ahead and I was just playing around with the flower part, and I decided to go ahead and stick a butterfly on, because that little piece of the flower, I don't know what it just didn't go right. It kept wanting to stick out and I didn't like how it looked. So I decided to go ahead and stick a little butterfly there and then put some stickles on top. And that's what I did too, is I went ahead and stuck stickles on top of some areas that I thought would really brighten things up a little bit. So here I decided to go ahead and glue that beautiful day right there inside of the flower. One, it covers up the little stem. So if you have something that is needing to be like sticking out or something, just add a little element, or I mean embellishment, to that area, and that helps cover up some areas that you may not want to be shown on your project. So I went ahead and glued everything down, and we're going to come in and I'm going to cut one more butterfly. Told you I love these butterflies. I decided to go ahead and pop that butterfly up with some foam tape on the back, and then I just stuck it down in that corner and added some stickles. And just kind of smudge that in with my fingers a little bit. So yeah. So we are just, I think we're done with this layout, you guys. It looks so good. I am really happy how this turned out. It's so pretty. And I love the little booklets or little flaps on the bottom that open up that you can stick a photo in. We do need to glue that little piece down there. And I'm going to just, there we go. It's glued down. And you're ready to stick some pictures inside. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. I really like how this layout turned out. Love the flaps, how it goes up and then the two sides pan out. And so I will have all of the links for you down below. If you haven't seen the reveal kit, please take a look. I will have the link here for you as well. Take care, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye. Thanks for joining me today. Head on over to Tres Jolie to check out their shop, and please like, subscribe, and comment. And come join me for Friday night live shows, Friday night at 4:30 p.m. Central Time.